something about the South African success story that requires Black people to self-harm, to almost maim yourself, right? So in order to be considered successful in whatever form that looks, but let's take kind of a very simplified definition of that, right? As living somewhere where you've got a steady supply of running water, your home is made of bricks, you are able to walk around with relative security, somewhere where you're employed, you have a car, you've had a level of education up to tertiary, right? So some of the kind of basics of a successful South African. There is something about achieving that and meeting that requires a form of self-maiming, because it requires you to remove yourself from other things and other people who look like you, sound like you, speak like you, are of you, right? You are moving away from somewhere, right? You're moving away from either the informal settlement area, or you're moving away from ilali apho bukhulele khona, but okusalayo uyahamba uya kwenye indawo. And that geographical difference, which we know is related back to what? The land question, right? Is the first self-harm. You physically remove yourself, you leave your family home at Alexandra, and you move to Ekapa, to the suburbs of Rondebosch. So one, there is a kind of a harming there. There is a removal of yourself.